everybody! Thank you so much for joining me for this video today. So today I have a quick what sold video for you guys. I'm actually in the process of getting all my stuff shipped out today, which is why this is not the normal setup, but I'm basically, usually when I ship stuff out, I'm on the floor, so that's why it looks like this in the back, because I'm actually sitting on the floor to do this video for you guys. This is all the stuff that's sold from Friday through Monday. I actually didn't ship anything yesterday. I ended up not having time. Yeah, so anyway, I ended up being gone basically the entire day on Sunday, and I didn't have time to get my shipping together, so, which is totally fine because I do have 2-day shipping on eBay, and then on Poshmark, obviously, you just have to ship out within 5 or 7 days. I always do try to ship out, you know, within 1 or 2 days, but so I did have quite a few things sell, but I wouldn't say it was like a ton considering it was Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, which is 4 days. So I would say I sold maybe 14 items. I'm thinking it was like 14 items. If you aren't familiar with my channel, my name is Nicole, and I'm a part-time reseller on eBay and Poshmark, and I do a lot of what sold videos, haul videos, that kind of stuff. So if you're interested in that, please subscribe to my channel. So I want to show you guys everything that I sold, and these are things on Poshmark and on eBay, so I'll tell you whether it was Poshmark or eBay. I'll try to kind of have it separated so I can show you all of the one and then all of the other. And then if I remember exactly what I sold it for, I definitely am going to tell you that. And if there's a shipping discount, I'll try to remember to tell you that as well. But I'm kind of winging it just a little bit. I really want to do what sold video for you guys, and I'm not completely prepared because I have to get the stuff shipped out quick today. So anyway, let's get right into it. First, I'm going to start with Poshmark sales, and I did have quite a few Poshmark sales. I generally get 1 to 2 sales a day on Poshmark, and I want to be completely transparent and honest with you guys. Some days I get more, some days I get less, but I would say between 1 and 2 is probably pretty average for me. I do have someone that shares my closet. I use PoshEVA. Some of you might be familiar with that. It's a sharing service. And it is about $89, $90 a month, but they share my closet every day. There's different packages. I have the cheaper package, but I think that it's really nice to have that, especially if you are part-time like me. This summer, I am definitely spending a little more time than normal on eBay and Poshmark, just because it's the summertime and I'm not working full-time, but I am still working part-time, almost full-time, but not quite. And so I do have a little bit of extra time, though, to work on Poshmark and eBay. So one of the first sales that I made was this Soma dress. It's a size medium. Soma has a lot of very comfortable dresses. I've actually owned a few myself. This is actually really cute. This can actually be worn strapless as well. And I believe I sold this for, cheaper than normal. I think I sold it for $18. I'm not positive. If I remember and I'm wrong, then I'll put it on the screen for you guys. I want to say it was like $12 or $18. Okay, the next item is this pair of, I would say they're kind of like vintage button fly LEI jean shorts. I got these last summer, I think, and they actually had an issue right here, but I put a patch in. They actually sold for $18, which I was really excited about. I did disclose this in the listing as well, so they know. I sold this, and this I would not recommend picking up. It's a Topshop. Actually, it's kind of cool. Obviously, it's patriotic, so someone's probably getting it because of the 4th of July, if they're doing any 4th of July stuff. And kind of reminds me of biker, like a biker outfit. It is Topshop. It's a size 6. It had a mark on it, which I was able to get out. I believe they sent me a $12 offer, and I accepted. I've had this for probably 2 years, and it just never sold. Nobody wanted it, but I thought it was like cool looking, so I didn't want to just throw it out. The next thing was actually a bundle, and I actually sold this yesterday. Once in a while, I run sales, and I'll do like a buy one get one free, and it's on anything in my closet except like mystery boxes or reseller boxes, inventory boxes. Basically, it's anything in my closet. So you can buy one get one free, and the first piece is full price, like the higher price item is full price, and then the lower price item you can get for free. And you can do that on as many items as you want in my closet. If you're ever interested, you know, comment that you watch me or subscribe to me on YouTube, and I would happy to give you that deal. I do pretty frequently. I just send, I'll send a note, like a comment through a bundle. I'll go into the bundle section, and if someone liked an item, sometimes I'll add that to the bundle, or I'll just let them know, hey, I saw you liked one of the items in my closet. If you're interested, I'm running a sale right now where you can buy one, get one free in my closet, anything. And I'll tell them, like, accept mystery boxes or reseller boxes. Someone the other day actually took advantage of it, and they bought this Becca swimsuit, which is super cute. This swimsuit actually sat a lot longer than I thought it would. It is like a one shoulder braided top, but I think it sat because the top was a small and the bottoms were large. So obviously there were two pieces. When I originally purchased these, I didn't realize that they were different sizes, because I just thought, oh, and it was super cute. I think I maybe paid $4 or $6 for this. And so I had this originally listed at $40, and then this, honestly, I don't know where this is sold. There was absolutely no, I got this in a liquidation. I think I got it in a liquidation lot a while back, and it is this cute mini dress, sequiny striped nude color dress, and there was like no markings. So I have no idea like who made this, what brand it is. I believe that it's sold at Nordstrom probably. It was probably just like a house brand. Sadly, I could never find any markings. I still can't. It's a really cute dress. I wish I could have, because it may have sold for more, but she added this to her bundle, and I sent her a $40 offer, and I think I gave her discount shipping, and she accepted. So I sold those two for $40. This is an interesting piece that I got at Goodwill a while back. It's a Venice Beach, like a cut-off California Muscle Beach. If you guys are familiar, that is a place that, what's his name? Arnold Schwarzenegger worked out. A lot of bodybuilders from like the 80s, they worked out there, and probably the 70s. I actually think this is supposed to be Arnold. My husband's a bodybuilder, so I know a little bit about bodybuilding, not a lot. I actually work out kind of like a bodybuilder's workout, but I'm definitely not in the kind of shape that I want to be in. But hey, I'm 33, so. This sold for, I think it was $18. Again, I'll put it on the screen. I can't remember. A bunch of stuff sold for $18. So yeah. This sold for $23. This is just, I think it's called the Ruby Crossbody by Soul Society. I got this in, it is new without tags. I got this in a huge purse lot from liquidation.com a while back, and I sold quite a few of the purses, and then this is just one of them. I have another one like this, and I have a couple different colors, a black one too. That sold for $23. Someone sent me that offer. This sold for $18, which I was really excited about. This is a Puma, like a workout top. It's kind of boxy. It kind of goes out. You can kind of see. I got this, I think, at Style Encore in a bag sale. I probably paid, I would say $2 to $4 for it, maybe less. And I've had it forever. And I actually had put it in a pile of stuff to get rid of. It was down in my basement in a bag to donate, and I ended up going down. I was cleaning my basement. I was like, oh, maybe I'll bring this back up, because it's like during the quarantine stuff, I was looking for inventory to list. I purchased a lot of inventory online, but you know, you gotta wait for it to come to you. And so I pulled this back out. It ended up selling for $18, which I was really excited about. Someone sent me that offer. I was like, really? But this is a pair of shorts that I actually recently cut them off and made them into shorts. They were pants. I paid $1 for these Everlane pants. They were just jeans at, where did you call it? Style Encore. They had a $1 tag sale. I actually sold a couple pieces from that in this this lot of stuff. Let me see, this one. Okay, maybe I only sold a couple. Yeah, like 2 things so far. I think all this was I think I sold something else too, but oh, that was today, and I don't have the stuff for today. I sold a Madewell top as well that I paid $1 for. So I sold these for $25. This is a pair of Everlane. They're high-waisted. Obviously, I made them into shorts, like I said. And the reason I made them into shorts is because there was a hole in them on one of the knees, and it didn't look like it really went with the shorts. It looked like it was like an accident, and so I made them into shorts. Yeah, so they're pretty cute. Those sold for $25. Okay, this is Alberto Mccauley. I actually got it because it's kind of like an art to wear top. Like an accordion top. I sold this for, I believe it was $12, and I only paid $1 for it, so I was happy to sell it for that. I got a bunch of stuff from Style Encore for $1. I'll link that video up here, guys, somewhere for you guys too. I paid $1 for each item and was hoping I could at least sell each item for $10, and so I did that, and I've sold 3 pieces from that already, so I think I made back all my money. I spent like $40-some. I think I almost made back all my money because, let's see, these shorts I sold for $25, so I got 20 out of those, and then this I sold for like 12 or 10 or 12, and the other item I sold for like 12, so I like made back all my money, and I still probably have at least, I want to say like 30 pieces left, or I don't remember how many pieces I got, but I would say like 20 or 30 pieces left. Anyway, this I got in a B&G Trading box. It had a hole in it up here somewhere, I think. It is a J. Crew top, and it says Peace on Earth, and I believe it's French, and I just know that because it says it here, but I looked it up as well. And I actually distressed this myself. I made holes there and here, just because there was already a hole, and so I distressed it more. I sold that for $20. Someone bought that straight up for $20. This is a new brand to me, and it is a workout brand called Active by Jamie Sadak. If I'm saying it right. I think I paid like $4 for this, maybe. I'm not sure. But I had it in a Goodwill haul. It's a new to me brand. I sold it for $18. I was pretty excited about that. I think I had it listed higher because it's a very unique workout brand. But this is one of the styles that was selling for a decent amount, so I did pick that up. I generally would like to have gotten at least $25 for it, but I'm taking a lot of offers because I'm trying to keep myself at my store active on eBay. I'm sorry, I didn't tell you guys, that was eBay. These 3 were all eBay. And I think I'm done with Poshmark, but this is a Wisconsin Dells zip-up hoodie. It's a neon. This is vintage. This is from the 80s. I believe it was the 80s. I found a lot of pieces at a local thrift store. Well, it's not super local to me, but it's just like St. Vincent's. But I found a bunch of Wisconsin Dells pieces. Someone must have donated a bunch of stuff from their souvenir shop. And this sold for, I think it was only like $12, but I paid like $1 or $2 for it. I wanted more for it, but like I said, I've been taking a lot of offers. So this I sold for $12. It is at MSK. I believe this is just a brand. They maybe sell it like Macy's. It's actually a jumpsuit with this really interesting, it's like really interesting. It like goes up on the one side and goes down. But it's just a jumpsuit. It's very lightweight. I think I paid about $3 maybe for it. I sold for like $12, so not a lot of profit. Honestly, probably $5, but I've been taking a lot of offers. So, and last but not least, this is a soft surroundings dress, and I had it quite a while. I do find it difficult to sell some soft surrounding pieces. Some sell great, some don't. This one is a little bit harder because it is a maxi dress, and I'm a short person, so I know that short people have a very hard time buying maxi dresses, so you kind of already have eliminated short people from purchasing your listing. This is soft surroundings, and it's a really beautiful dress. It's a maxi dress, like I said, and it's got like this open back. You could definitely wear like a tank top though, because I wouldn't want my back exposed like that. But I usually wear dresses to church, and I want to be very modest. So, and it's just a long maxi dress. with a couple slits on the sides. It's very pretty. The stock photo of it was really pretty. So it definitely lays nice on a person. I think it's flattering. That sold for $25 on eBay. And I did want to get more for that, but I've had it quite a while. And honestly, guys, dresses don't sell the greatest for me. They really don't. I struggle because I love buying dresses, and you can usually find dresses decently cheap. But man, I have a ton of dresses, and I have at least 4 bins of dresses. 4 bins of dresses, and then I have a ton of dresses like hung up on my big rack that I have over there. So yeah, $25. I'm happy to get rid of it. It takes a lot of space because it's a maxi dress, so I was happy to get rid of that. That's the last item that sold. I do have one more thing I could show you, and this is a pair of shoes that sold. I did show these in a previous, I think maybe in my vlog that I did, but they just paid for them, so I'm shipping them out now. But these are Kelsey Dagger. So I showed these in one of my other videos, but they're kind of like a steampunk shoe, and I think I put that in the listing too, and they're just Kelsey Dagger though. If you didn't see the other video, that's what her sign looks like. Her brand looks like. So I sold these for $30, and those are shipping out today. So these actually were purchased, kind of like purchased, a few days, like a couple days before all this other stuff, like before Friday, but they didn't pay till after Friday, so that's why I'm shipping them out today. Anyway, guys, that is everything that sold from Friday to Monday. And I did sell a couple things today, so that's awesome. I didn't show you guys them though because I kind of wanted this to be more closer to the weekend kind of thing. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like it if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content like this. Like I said, I do a lot of hauls, what sold videos. I do some vlogs as well, and what it's like to be a part-time reseller, because a lot of you guys probably do have full-time jobs, and this is a part-time thing. So my channel is really kind of more dedicated to those who are part-time, because we don't have as much time as maybe someone who is a full-timer to donate, or to donate to specifically put into your reselling business, because that's part-time, because you have, you know, most of your day is probably spent in your full-time job. So my videos are very much more oriented towards those that are part-time. Also, the kind of sales I make and that kind of stuff, you know, I'm not going to be making a full-time wage out of what I'm selling online because I'm part-time. So anyway, if you want some encouragement and have some fun, please come back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We'll see you later. Bye!